Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I'm restyling a client's wig. This wig I didn't treat it or anything. I think she's worn it for a couple of times and just wanted styling service. Ideally I would have advised that she washes it and treats it, but yeah, this is the service she ordered, so I went ahead to start coiling the hair. If you notice, I didn't put any serum or anything because there was already some kind of product and I didn't want to layer more product, so I just used my heat protectant and hairspray to style this hair. So I went, I think, 2 tracks each, and I kept rolling. I divided the hair into 2, as you saw in the previous clip. I shared it into 2 so it would be easy for me to manage. So I went like that. I kept rolling and coiling. I used a tiny barrel, yeah, because the hair is quite long. I know that's kind of that's more like the contrary, but the hair is long and I wanted the coils to be tight, so I used my smaller barrel and it took me quite some time to get this hair coiled. Then I proceeded to lay in the closure. I think it was a 2x6, so I cleaned the closure up, used my hot comb to flatten it. I didn't add any wax in it, as you can see. So I was laying it gradually. Please don't mind me, I like taking risks sometimes, putting the hot iron close to my hands, but yeah, we got the job done neat. And then I continued curling, and I also took 2 tracks each till I got to the closure part. So yeah, so you keep rolling, turning, you hold your iron, hold the clip and put your hairspray. Then I went again in with the hot iron and styled the closure again. I repeated the same thing on the same other side. Then this is the finished look, yeah, and the client was really happy with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.